Lost in the shadows, a prisoner of sin. My heart was heavy, where do I begin? Bound by the darkness, no hope in my sight. Walking in darkness without any light. Your mercy restores, oh Lord, your mercy restores. It washes over me, heals all my sores. Your love unending, a river so deep. Your mercy restores my soul, you do keep. Broken and weary, I stumbled and fell. The weight of my actions, a terrible spell. Guilt and despair consumed me within, but your grace found me and cleansed me from sin. Oh, your mercy restores, oh Lord, your mercy restores. It washes over me, heals all my sores. Your love unending, a river so deep. Your mercy restores my soul, you do keep. No longer captive, I rise and I stand, with your love surrounding throughout all the land. Forever grateful for the gift that you gave. Your mercy restores the life that I crave. Your mercy restores, oh Lord, your mercy restores. It washes over me, heals all my sores. Your love unending, a river so deep. Your mercy restores my soul, you do keep. Your mercy restores my soul, making me whole, making me whole. Your mercy restores.